I mean, how many times can we really say it? It's going to be hot. It's going to be hot. But you really got to listen to the signs of your body if you're doing anything outside.
I know, and it's one of those things that we don't think about, right? With a tornado, it sounds really scary. We know it can cause a destruction. But with something like heat, it doesn't sound as scary because it kind of does sneak up on you. You think you're okay. And it's a really widespread, impact. Everyone in North Texas will feel this heat again today. And that's why today we do have an excessive heat warning. And that is for heat index values of 110 to 115. At the top of the hour, we already mentioned that it already feels like the triple digits out there, and it's not even noon. Right now, Fort Worth, 93 degrees, but it feels like 102 when you factor in the humidity. At DFW Airport, 91, feeling like 102. The wind out of the southwest, anywhere between 10 to 15 miles per hour. There's not too much of a breeze out there, and our dew point is still elevated. That's a measure of moisture. Mid-70s is still quite a bit of moisture in the air. That's why we are looking at a heat index that's about 9 or 10 degrees above the actual temperature, and that'll hold true for a good portion of the day. Right now, it's 92 degrees in Decatur, 93 in Denton and in Fort Worth. 93 is about the normal daytime high temperature for this time of the year. So we have plenty of time to still add to that. The feels like temperature is in the triple digits for Denton, Fort Worth, Dallas, Greenville, Granbury, Graham, just to name a few, Hillsborough as well. Meridian, it already feels like 106 for you before noon. Today, temperature continues to climb. 97 degrees around 1, 102 degrees around 3, 103 degrees around 5. Yesterday's high temperature was 101. I'm thinking it'll be a couple degrees higher today just because of the difference in moisture from day to day. Okay, so today, about 104 in Fort Worth for the actual high temperature, 104 in Denton, 105 in Decatur, about 97 for Greenville, 98 in Terrell. A few locations northeast of DFW into the upper 90s because of the slightly higher humidity. But it doesn't matter where you are. I said this morning, it doesn't matter where you are in North Texas. It is going to feel like the triple digits for most of the afternoon today. And that'll also hold true tomorrow when the heat goes up a notch. 106 a high temperature on Wednesday. I think Wednesday is going to be the warmest, hottest day that we have in our extended forecast. The heat index at about 109, and Thursday, Friday still in the triple digits, but the heat index will likely be a little bit closer to the actual temperature, and that's only because of the slightest drop in our humidity. We finally do see some relief late weekend. As of now, it looks like we break that triple digit streak on Sunday and early parts of next week. So for the month of June, we generally see 2 triple digit heat days. We've already seen 2, Sunday and Monday. We could still add 4 more before the end of the month, bringing us above what's considered normal. And this time last year, just to make you feel a little bit better, this time last year, we already had 9 triple digit heat days. So we're already doing better than 2022, if you want to look at a silver lining. But hey, the entire state, or most of the state, I should say, is under some kind of a heat alert, and those heat alerts extend from Arizona to New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and even the Panhandle in Florida. We also have, just on the northern side of us, the potential for strong storms today, and that includes areas of Oklahoma into Kansas. We stay completely out of it because of that ridge of high pressure that's strengthening and bringing us that heat. And hey, this weekend we have the chance to see just a few thunderstorms, and that'll carry on through the 4th of July holiday. Cleo.
Nothing but hot. All right, thanks there, Marielle.